Yo guys, man, random question, random thought when I came into the sneaker room for the video today. I said, hold on, bro. What are people going to choose for their sneaker of the year? I feel like these two are definitely going to be the most notable ones to release this year with the Bread Reimagined and, of course, the remastered Air Jordan 3 Black Cements. I want to know which one you guys think is going to take the cake when we talk about the sneaker of the year, probably more towards next month because you got to think, man, we still got some notable releases, hence this video today highlighting, pretty much the last couple of drops that everybody gonna put their energy towards, that everybody gonna be trying to cop. You can even add in the Legend Blues, you can add in a bunch of other sneakers. There might be some sleepers you guys bring up in the comment section on which one you think is, saying the sneaker of the year, or if it's the Bread Reimagined or the Black Cement Remastered. Super interested, no man. But yeah, with all this being said, let's jump into the last couple of notable releases from Jordan Brand in 2024. Let's get into today's video, man. Yo, what's going on, everybody on YouTube, man? Thank you guys so much for tapping in, bro. It's greatly appreciated, man, because you guys did not have to tap into today's video, but you did. You seen what your boy Avengers talking about. I told you, man, we're going to be a little bit more consistent. We got to be more consistent with you guys. Drop a couple of gems, talk with you guys what's going on with the community. And again, like I said, man, we're going to highlight some of the most notable releases to come in November and December. It's probably like a good 3 or 4, but it might be 5 to some people. If I miss any sneaker you feel like it's going to be, up there in the radar for a lot of people, please comment that down below in the comment section, man. If you guys are new here, make sure that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for your boy, and make sure, of course, if you don't do nothing else, if you don't leave a comment, if you don't subscribe, if you don't do any of that, bro, give a huge like on today's video, man. All right, guys, so like I said, bro, we're gonna break down some of the the next upcoming uproar in terms of releases yet to come. And of course, bro, I keep showing the 2018 pair, what I'm saying? I'm probably like, yo, this pair don't look like the 2024. It's because this is a 2018 pair, but the 2024 Black Cement Remasters is definitely one of the most notable releases yet to come. Like, I've seen so many videos, pictures, people keep talking about them. It just seems like the releases already came and going, but it ain't even came yet, bro. They still have not released. They're gonna release all the way till the end of next month. And of course, you guys have been hearing about shop drop rumors and stuff like that. It's gonna happen. We all know it's gonna happen. Just a matter of when, where, what Nike end up doing. But of course, bro, y'all know it's gonna be a shop drop over these. But of course, this is definitely one of them ones, bro. Definitely one of them ones that everybody's gonna put their energy towards. Everybody want a clean pair of Black Cements. And I feel like I should have doubled up back in the day, because I don't know if I'm gonna like this pair more or the 2024. It's some minor differences, of course, in the elephant print and the leather. So we shall see when I do get my pair in hand, kind of compare the two, see which ones I like the most. But it's the same shoe, same colorway. Gonna be me, nitpicking a little bit just to make some content for you guys. But definitely gonna hit you guys with a comparison of the two Black Cements. You know what I'm saying? You got these joints that released in 2018 with, of course, the difference in the elephant print and the tumble leather. And you got the 2024 pair, which we all know the huge elephant in the room, no pun intended, is the light skinned elephant print on the heel and the toe box, man. And then, of course, man, next, which probably not a lot of people are going to agree with me in terms of, the majority people going after them, it is an Air Jordan 9 Olive. Now, this is a shoe that I grew up always, knowing about, almost all the Air Jordan 9s, I don't feel like they were that popular to where, like, I was raving over a pair of Air Jordan 9s. But of course, a couple that does stand out when I think of 9s is of the, the Cool Grays, and of course, like Kilroys and these olives. These olive 9s is definitely a cop, and I think they actually just dropped like an olive 9 boot last year, if I'm not mistaken. It was sitting on sale in all types of spots in the mall and stuff like that. But now we're gonna be getting the olive 9s, the ones we're used to seeing, the regular, classic joints that we all have been thinking about. And I feel like it's gonna be a lot of people, especially them OGs out there, that's going out and grabbing these 9s. Not nothing crazy, Not nothing crazy, It's a cool colorway, something to definitely, grab, add to the collection. And you probably won't get a lot of wears on them throughout the year because it is pretty much a boot, bro. The 9s is like boots on your feet, but still a very, very crispy pair of Air Jordan 9s. Definitely going to have these joints on my radar. If you guys are going to be copying, man, please let me know down below in the comment section, man. And then another Air Jordan that I feel like, is going to be on a lot of probably older people's, must cop list, and probably some of the newer school sneakerheads, and it is the Air Jordan 14 black toes. Now the black toe 14s, man, is something I grew up, like I said, always seeing, knowing about, but just never end up buying them because either I had the money or they wasn't too high on my radar. But now this go around, bro. This go around, your boy Vince is definitely gonna have a pair of the black toe 14s. This is crazy because, you know, I said at the beginning of the year, I'm not gonna be copying stuff that I know I'm not gonna wear. And 14s is an Air Jordan that I really do not wear a lot. Like, these are gonna be like gym shoes, bro. Like, now, you know, towards, you know, I guess you could say my later 20s, I've been not wearing J's a lot, you know what I'm saying? Especially when I pop out, I ain't really wearing J's, I'm wearing everything else. So most of these sneakers you guys have been seeing me cop is like, you know, of course, get it for the nostalgia purposes, get it because it's OG, get it, you know, because it's a classic, but I ain't popping out, you know what I'm saying, doing no crazy fits and like that. So they end up turning into gym shoes. And this is the one that I want to point in case, bro. Been wearing these joints to the gym, my fire red 3s, all types of stuff. But, you know, I'm gonna get back into my Jordan bag, you know what I'm saying, get some fits and stuff like that. But the black toe 14s definitely gotta come to the collection. You guys can let me know down below in the comment section if you will be snagging a pair when they do drop. I think it's like November the 2nd, if I'm not mistaken, or something like that. It's coming up very, very soon. Literally almost, you know, only 2 more months left in the year. This year done flew by. It's just still crazy to think about, man. And then, like I mentioned, bro, a lot of these shoes I didn't either already had a version of it, a variation of it, something that looked similar to it. And one that I'm gonna cop, I don't care how many times it drop, I don't care how many pairs I got or variations, bro. The Air Jordan 11 Legend Blues. Now these right here is the lows, and I should have sensed that we was gonna get the leather on the highs, since we did get the low top version a couple years back with the leather on the upper. Like, I'm used to the Legend Blue 11s, or when I copped them back in 2014 with the mesh on the upper, and that's just what I thought was gonna happen. But again, like, you know what I'm saying, after a couple, you know, watch a couple videos and stuff like that, they do have the leather upper just like the lows, man. So definitely coming to the collection. The homie Tops, he showed me a pair that he got. I said, man, I need them, bro. I need them. Don't wear 11s a lot. I don't even wear 11s to the gym. 11 is something you just, I don't know, just like, I gotta buy it. I know that's bad, bro. That's so bad, but it's something about sneakers, bro, especially certain sneakers, OG colorways, classic colorways, I just have to possess, bro. It's a weird addiction, bro. The sneakerhead thing is something different, bro. And then I'll be wrong not to mention probably, you know, this might go down to some people's sneaker of the year, bro. Probably not, you know, not mine, but it's definitely high up there. It might be definitely top 10 in terms of the pickups for me, and it is the Air Jordan 4 Fears. Now, bro, we got the Fear 3s last year. I think we're supposed to be getting like the Fear, well, what else, what other Fear are we getting? I know it's another Fear I think I heard about, but of course, the Air Jordan 4 Fears is one of them notable Fear, you know what I'm saying, silhouettes out of the Fear pack or the Fear collection, whatever you want to call it, man. Definitely going to be copping them things. They are a must, bro. They are a necessity. That's why I had to add it to the video. And I know everybody watching and probably wait to all the way to the video already commented, bro, what are you talking about? Why you ain't mentioning the Fear 4s? But here we are, bro. The Fear 4s is definitely one of them ones, bro. And I don't know how to, you know, I ain't trying to sell you the shoe. I ain't trying to make you go buy it. But when it comes to certain 4s, when it comes to, like I said, in general, certain colorways in general, bro, you know what I'm saying, them classics and the ones that you always grew up wanting, the Fear 4s, it's gonna be high on people's radar, and it ain't gonna probably ain't gonna sell out, probably ain't gonna go for a lot of money, because who cares about that? It's just gonna be the, you know, nostalgic piece, the nostalgic aspect of it, of having a pair of Air Jordan 4 Fears, bro, because I always wanted a pair, man. But I appreciate all the support, man. Thank you guys so much for tapping into today's video. Quick video, and saying me wrapping up a couple of releases that we're gonna be getting in November and December, and there's really not a lot coming out in December. Most of these drops I just talked about come out in November, bro. Fear 4s, Black Toe 14s, and the Black Cement 3s all come out in November, bro. Like, Jordan, man, what are you doing, bro? Stop dropping all these other colorways and all these other sneakers, and just give us about, like, you know what I'm saying, a good 7, or a good 10 pack of some stuff that we actually want. And they didn't already eclipse that for 2025. There's so much coming out, bro. You're gonna be spending some bread, because there's some notable ones up next year that I know I'm copping, man. But I love y'all. Thanks for tapping in. Appreciate all the love and support. And your boy DaVinci is gonna catch you guys in next video, man. Peace.